Recently, I came across a comment on my YouTube channel where someone shared an issue they were facing with their Dell Inspiron N4010 laptop. They mentioned that after installing Realtek audio drivers, versions 2.8, 2 or 2.83, the sound stopped working entirely. The laptop showed a red cross on the sound icon, with an error saying no speakers or headphones are plugged in. Even when plugging in a headset, there was no audio. To make things worse, the Realtek driver was missing from Device Manager, and only the default high-definition audio driver installed by Windows was visible. This is a common problem with older laptops, especially when the wrong drivers are installed or the audio system gets misconfigured. So I'll show you two effective methods to fix this issue by properly updating the drivers. These steps are straightforward and should help you get the sound working again. First method, using Windows Update Open Device Manager by pressing the Windows key, typing Device Manager and selecting it. Expand the Sound, Video, and Game Controllers section. If you see high-definition audio device or any other audio driver, click on it and select Uninstall Device. Be sure to check the option to delete the driver software if it appears. Restart your laptop. After the restart, Windows will automatically attempt to install a generic audio driver. If no driver is installed or the sound still doesn't work, open Windows Update, press the Windows key, type Check for Updates, and select it. Click on Check for Updates and allow Windows to find and install the most compatible driver for your audio hardware. If this method doesn't resolve the issue, we'll need to move to a more specific solution. Second method, installing manufacturer drivers. Identify the exact model of your laptop. Since we're dealing with a Dell Inspiron N4010, you can confirm this from the label on your laptop or through the System Information tool. Visit Dell's official website and navigate to the Support section. Enter your laptop's model, Inspiron N4010 into the search bar in the Drivers and Download section. Locate the audio or sound category, and download the Realtek audio driver specifically designed for this laptop. Run the downloaded setup file and follow the on-screen installation instructions. Once the driver installation is complete, restart your laptop. By following these two methods, you can ensure that the correct drivers are installed on your laptop, whether through Windows Update or directly from Dell's website. This approach covers both automatic and manual solutions, helping you fix your audio problem efficiently. And that's it. Hopefully this tutorial will solve your problem. If you're facing any other issue, just let us know in the comments section and we'll catch you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself and your family.